Hey there, my name is Aaron George. I work here in InboxArmy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cart abandonment automation in Klaviyo. This is a tool to recover lost sales by reminding customers of the items they left in their cart. So let's get started. Once you log into your Klaviyo account, head over to the flow section in the left-hand menu. Click on Create Flow. Instead of using the preset template, I'll show you how to create from scratch. This allows you to fully customize every aspect of your cart abandonment sequence. So click on Build Your Own. Let's name it Cart Abandonment. Create manually. The next step is to set up trigger that will kick off the flow. Click on Trigger. Click, and then we have an option here, Checkout Started. This means the automation will start when a customer begins the checkout process but doesn't complete it. And we have an option for trigger filters and profile filter. This is per your requirement for each campaign. For in this case, I'll click on Add Filter, select condition, what someone has done, ordered product 0 times since starting the flow. This ensures anybody who has ordered product 0 times since starting the flow will only be involved in this flow. We don't want the same users to get involved in the same flow again. Click on Save. Now let's set up first email. So before we add that, we need to adjust by having a time delay here. We keep it 1 hour since starting the flow. Now we can drag an email block onto the canvas and click Edit. This email will remind the customers about the items they left behind. We can customize subject line to grab attention. Here we can mention you left something behind, or as per your requirement. I'm not gonna go over on the template in depth on how to create, but when you create select template, you have an option either to select an HTML coded one or creating from scratch using drag and drop. To increase chance of converting, let's add a time delay before sending a second email. And we can set this for 1 day before the user receives the second email. Let's drag email block here. In the second email, you can offer an incentive like discount or free shipping to encourage customers to complete their purchase. So once these are done, so right now if you see, this is flagging as set up an email. So whenever you select a template, this will be sorted out, and then you have an option to review and turn it live. So once the flow is set up, the emails are customized. Take a moment to review everything. And once you're satisfied, click on Click and Turn On to activate your cart abandonment flow. And that's it. You have successfully created a cart abandonment automation from scratch in Klaviyo. This setup will help you to recover lost sales and engage with your customers effectively. Thanks for watching.